Imagine wandering the vibrant streets of New York, your stomach rumbling, surrounded by endless culinary choices, but unsure where to find that perfect, affordable, and delicious bite. It is a common experience in a city with so many options. The best way to navigate New York's incredible food scene, especially when looking for great value or something specific, is by effectively using food discovery apps. These digital tools are your personal guides to hidden gems and popular spots, right in the palm of your hand. These apps work by leveraging massive databases of restaurants, often enriched with user reviews, ratings, and even real-time deals. New York City, with its unparalleled density of eateries, provides the perfect environment for these platforms to shine, helping you cut through the noise and find exactly what you are craving, quickly and efficiently. To start, download a few popular apps like Yelp, Google Maps, or even specialty apps like Too Good to Go for surplus food deals. Once installed, allow location access. Then open the app and use its search bar or browse features. You can filter by cuisine type, price range, dietary restrictions, or even specific amenities like outdoor seating. Pay close attention to user reviews and star ratings to gauge quality and what others have said about the experience. Many apps also offer direct links for reservations or ordering takeout, streamlining your dining experience. A fantastic insider tip for New York is to look beyond just the star ratings. Read through a few of the more detailed reviews, especially those that mention specific dishes or the overall atmosphere. You might uncover a chef special that is not on the main menu, or find a charming, lesser-known cafe that perfectly fits your mood. Apps like Too Good to Go offer a unique opportunity to rescue delicious food from bakeries and restaurants at the end of the day for a fraction of the cost, a true win-win for your wallet and the planet. By embracing these food discovery apps, you gain the power to unlock New York's vast and diverse culinary landscape on your own terms. You will save time and money, explore new neighborhoods through their flavors, and confidently discover your next favorite meal, ensuring every dining experience is a delightful adventure.